Everyone. So, welcome to the continuation of our Go Model Viewer um, project. So, in our previous lesson, we actually learned to finish our hero section, which was the text, is text, and this. Okay. Okay. So, what I want to do now is to have um, this. Okay. So, depending on the model you want, you just have to go to Sketchfab. Okay, Sketchfab, and then search for the model you want. You want. Okay. So then you download. Remember to always read the terms and conditions. Some are free, some are paid. Some require some form of attribution. So that said, you're just going to start. So when you visit modelviewer.dev, we've already treated this. Remember, you just have to upload your gifts file, and then your GLB file here, and then you go through the whole process. What you should know is if you want to add your annotations, this is where you add the hotspots. Okay, I wouldn't want to go through this because we've already done it in the earlier lessons. So I already have my project here. Okay, I already have it here. Okay, so it has downloaded the HTML file, the JavaScript, and then the poster, and then the style.css. I've already converted my file to the iOS version as the USDZ. Okay, this also was taught in the earlier lesson, so I wouldn't go through. That's okay. So now all we have to do is to just right click and then open our project in VS Code. So show more and then VS Code. So open with code. Okay. So there's nothing much. We aren't going to do anything here. Like we just want to copy the code. There's something. So let me see the file. So these are the files for this particular project. So all I need to do is I can copy the plan cell. Okay, so I'm going to copy the plan cell. Copy. Then I'll go to. So we have two options. Either you can copy and paste. So I'm going to copy and then I'll paste it inside our project. Okay, just paste it inside our project. Paste here. So we have it. Then I'm going to do same for the others. Um, the UDZ, USDZ. I don't know why I keep forgetting that. Paste it here. So we have it. And now, finally, we can go for the poster. Mhm. So the poster is a WebP. Okay, we can still go with it, but I'll prefer a PNG file instead. Okay, paste it here. So there are various ways of doing this. So you can also just where is our project? Okay, so you notice when we go into our projects, we would see our file. Okay, so when we copied and pasted them via VS Code, you can see VS Code has pasted or put them in our directory. Okay, where we actually did our coding. Yeah. So you have two options. Either you do it the VS Code way, or you drag and drop your files into your folder. Okay, your project folder, whichever way works. Okay. So now what we need to do is to look at the code. Okay, go to the index, and then all we want to do is to copy. So from here, I'm going to copy from here to here. Control C. We actually do not need any of these things. Okay, since it's just the same thing. So we just have to go to our index. So index, and then there's the first one. So okay, so this one ends here. Okay, so I'm going to split the screen. Let's just paste this here. Okay, so just below here, and let's see how it looks. Then close this. Then let's see. So we scroll down, we should see. So there's it. Okay. So now images have obtained. Okay, so I just have to add an alt text. So alt is good for screen readers. Okay, so alt, let's say AR hand, and then let's see what we can do now. It should be noted that when you are doing this, okay, it requires internet, okay, because this particular file is going to be fetched from the internet, okay. Once this fetches the file and then your 3D model loads, I think you can turn off the internet and everything should. So I've put off my internet, and then I can still have my project working in the background. Okay, so I'll see in the next lesson where we'll actually style our um, model viewer so we are able to achieve something like this. Okay. All right. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.